Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, I will provide a very simple way of playing with Deepin Linux in order to do ethical hacking, security assessment, or I would say penetration testing. So as I already mentioned in my previous video about Deepin Linux version 15.11, it was actually built based on Debian. So you can actually create, or I would say modify your Deepin Linux to perform something like this Kali Linux, right? So all you have to do is to install different type of penetration testing or ethical hacking tools. Okay, to start with that, let me just open up my VM. So this is my Deepin Linux, and I'll start by opening the terminal. Now, one of the most commonly used tool or tools in Kali Linux is or I would say for ethical hacking and penetration testing is the Nmap. So by default, Nmap is not installed. So what you need to do is to install Nmap, and because it's Debian, or it was actually Deepin was actually built uh, on Debian kernel. So what you can do is the same as Debian. So for example, here just type sudo apt get install, for example, Nmap. Yeah, so Nmap is one of the most commonly used tools in ethical hacking and penetration testing distros. So press enter. You need to put the password, the root password, and that's it. Nmap will be installed. Okay, so it's gonna take a while to actually install the Nmap, and you can think about what other tools that you need to install on your Deepin. I like Deepin because of the interface and fast Linux distro. Yeah, a lot of different what do you call this features are available. Yeah, so beside Nmap, you might want to install like maybe think about Hydra maybe for password cracking. Yeah. So in this video, I'll just give you some examples. Yeah. So we're done with installing. Just type nmap, and that's it. Nmap is already there. Our nmap is the 7.40, which is the latest one. And you can think about installing others, like for example text editor. Let's just type let's say leafpad, which yeah, leafpad is already there. Think about installing hping 3, for example. Hping 3 is there, not there, so you will try to install it. Sudo apt get install hping 3, and that's it. Hping 3 will be installed. Maybe think about adding extra tools such as the let me see, maybe Hydra. Yeah, let's just type Hydra, or this is for password cracking. So we'll do the same thing. apt, sorry, sudo apt get install Hydra. Yep, and we might also want to install like Medusa, which is also for the password cracking, right? It's gonna take a while. Or maybe think about installing Nessus, yeah, because they also provide Nessus. for vulnerability assessment. Yeah, so let's try. So while installing, we can actually explore. Yeah, so it's quite fast. Okay, then maybe Nessus. So sudo apt get install Nessus. Oh wait, Medusa. I mentioned. Yeah, Medusa is also another password cracking tool. Yeah. So you can think about different tools to be installed. Please refer to Kali, and you can think about looking at the Kali documentation. You can look at the list of, so for example, here I'll just put like tools. Yeah, so you can look at, or I'll just search for lists of tools on Kali. Yeah, and you can, yeah, you can look at the Kali Linux tools available. Yeah, yeah, we got this Nmap, maybe like OWASP, Zap, SQL Map, Hydra, yeah, volatility, and so on, and even burp. Like for example, let's see, maybe we can just install sudo apt get install burp. Yep, burp suite is there. Yeah, so we can copy the list of tools available. Yeah, to uh, kind of imitate the tools available in Kali, right? So, and then perhaps like zap proxy. So sudo apt get zap proxy. See, we can get, oops, okay, maybe they use different name. So anyway, or maybe like Wireshark, sudo apt get install Wireshark. Yeah, okay. Let's see. What do they use for this one? Installing. Yeah. Anyway, we have the burp. We don't really need this OS zap. Yeah. Or maybe think about installing Foremost maybe, or forensic. Yeah. So ethercap or bettercap. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, you can see a lot of different tools, or I would say you can install a lot of different tools based on this one. So make sure that you have enough storage to actually install many different tools in your Deepin Linux. Okay, let me just see. Yeah, I'm going to install EtherCap and also maybe BetterCap. Yeah, we'll see we can actually do this. Yeah. Okay, capture packet. No. Yeah. And in fact, many of the prerequisites libraries are already there, so you don't really have to install many things. Yeah. Well, let's say apt get install better ether cap. Hmm. Oh, sorry. I was supposed to put sudo ether cap. It says not install ether caps graphical. Hmm. Yep. Install graphical ether cap. And while installing, we can check other tools that we might need to install. Oh, SQL map maybe. Yeah. Yeah. This one. So EtherCap, BetterCap. Yeah, for wireless, we can install Kismet maybe. Yeah, it's quite fast. So, so after EtherCap, I will install BetterCap for packet modification. Let's see, BetterCap. Oh, we don't have this one. Maybe just now we can install a SQL map. apt get install SQL map. Yep. So again, it's up to your flavor. It's up to your preferences. If whatever tools you need to install, you can actually install them in your Deepin Linux. So it's actually good to for you to play around with different flavor of Linux to have better understanding and an experience. So I can start by typing all of the tools that I have already installed. For example, SQL map. Yeah, it's already there. And perhaps Hydra. Yeah, it's already installed. Okay, so nothing much, just about that. So again, for the tools, you can refer to this Kali Linux tool, and the list of tools are available here. Yeah. Okay, so all of these are the tools that you can actually install for different purposes. All right. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and see you in my next session. Ciao.